All right, nerds. So this will be my first unboxing ever. This is the Aetherdrift set, collector's booster. I think there's like 12 of them in here and a box topper. I'm not sure how I feel about the art yet. It looks cool, but I don't know if it feels like magic to me. But yeah, let's just get into it. Ooh, shiny. So we got the box topper. I think there's like 2 cards in here. And we got 12 booster packs, collector's booster packs. Let's see if we can get anything good. All right, first up. I know there's a way to check these, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to flip through them. Ooh, cool. Timeless Dragon. We have Perilous Snare, Starter Engine. When this artifact enters, exile target, blah, 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 blah. Ooh, cool. Wastewood Verge. Ooh, a new land. I like. Debris Beetle. On Wings of Gold. Dragonautics Engineer. Oh, I'll be honest, I don't know what any of these prices are, so maybe in the future, when I do more of these, I'll put some prices. But for now, this is what you get. Midnight Mangler. Rocketeer Boost Buggy. Forest. Not sure how I feel about this racing theme. It doesn't look like magic to me. It's like Yu-Gi-Oh-ish. Push the limits. Foul Roads, another land. This land enters tapped unless you control a mount or vehicle. Tap for black, sacrifice, blah, 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 blah. Unswerving Sloth. Migrating Ketrodon. Thimblethopterus, Mutant Surveyor, Brightfield Mustang. Nothing that stands out yet. Start your engine. Oh, I think it's a token. Some sort of token. Ooh, a loot. I don't know if this is expensive, but I've seen this all over the YouTubes, so I'm hoping it's valuable. I like it though. It's a legendary. Double Strike, Vigilance, Haste, Exhaust for green, tap for 3 mana of any one color. Oh, that's sick. Exhaust blue, tap for 3 cards. Exhaust 3, or red, loot 3. Loot deals 3 damage to any target. That's cool. Sunbillow Verge, another land. Fearless Swashbuckler. All right, so talking about cards that don't look like magic. This does not look like magic. So I think if I build a deck, I'm gonna use Aetherdrift to just build. It's gonna be a standalone set for me. I'm not mixing these in with other decks. It's just, the art's just too different. Nisa, cool, another Nisa. Bloodghast, Air Response, Spot Cycle Scouter, Plains, Terrain World Tyrant, Roadside Assistant, Back on Track, Crash and Burn, Brightfield Glider, Flood the Engine, and another land, Wind Scarred Crag. All right, for the rest of these, I think I'm just gonna open them up, not really talk. Ooh, Magic ASMR. Oh, that looks sick. Oh shoot, this is supposed to be ASMR. This looks like a Japanese, this looks like a Yu-Gi-Oh card or something. Cool, cool, cool. Nice. Nice. I like it. That looks like a Kira. Ooh. If you're wondering why I'm putting those aside, I just really like the art on it. That's pretty much it. Don't actually know if they're worth anything. I'll mana box all this later and figure it out. All right, we're down to the last two, and we still got the box topper. Ooh, a Chandra's Ignition. Like that. Oh, it's a special guest card? Oh, shit. Nice. Ooh. Country Roads. I like this card. I wonder if I missed any other special guests. Story spotlight? What does that mean? Don't know. Putting that aside. What story spot? Another one? Don't know what that means. Another story spotlight. Another story spotlight. I wonder if that means something special. So, I didn't get any of the Radiant Lotus cards, but I got some story spotlight cards, whatever that means. Some cool lands, some artifacts that I really like. A special guest. Oh yeah, this one. Bad boy, girl. It's cool. And loot. Yeah, sick. I totally forgot to do the box topper. Let's see what that is. Oh, they look a little warped. That's weird. It's supposed to be like that? Gold land. That looks weird. Crypt Collar Chariot. These yellow cards look funky. So weird. Oh yeah, well, that's it.